If you've been keeping an eye on AI chatbots, you might have stumbled upon Janitor AI. It's been getting a lot of buzz lately, but is it really worth the hype? Let's dig deeper and find out what this tool is all about. Janitor AI positions itself as a versatile chatbot designed to streamline conversations and support various tasks. It's aimed at users who want a more efficient way to handle queries, whether for personal use or business needs. The interface is relatively straightforward, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech savvy. What stands out is its customization options, allowing users to tweak responses based on specific contexts. However, while it promises flexibility, the actual depth of customization isn't immediately clear, which could leave some users wanting more. Additionally, the platform seems to cater to a broad audience, but it lacks detailed guidance on how to maximize its potential. This could be a hurdle for users looking for specific use cases or advanced functionalities. Overall, the user experience feels promising, but there are areas that could definitely use more clarity. Now, let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, Janitor AI offers a user-friendly interface and decent customization options, which can make interactions feel more personal. It's appealing for both casual users and businesses looking for a cost-effective solution. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed tutorials or support materials can make it challenging for new users to fully grasp its capabilities. Additionally, some users might find the customization features a bit limited when compared to other advanced chatbots on the market. Trust concerns also arise as there's limited information about the company behind Janitor AI, which could make potential users hesitant. Overall, while it has its strengths, it may not suit everyone, especially those looking for more robust features. In conclusion, Janitor AI might be a good fit for casual users or small businesses looking for a straightforward chatbot solution. However, if you need something more advanced with comprehensive support, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth giving it a try, but proceed with a bit of caution regarding its limitations.